Got to watch early today. Look at the number of people. What the What the hell? Heard East LA dropped it down to 40%. Dropped the back wall deal to 40%, I think. I think all the resellers here for that. I haven't seen it like this in forever. Holy cow, look at all the fools here so early. This fool found some Kobe's already right there on the back wall. With these diamond turfs going for 170. There's that 40% off. Checking the big sizes in the women. No, nothing here. Damn, I missed out on the Kobe's. That fool got the Kobe Halos. Kobe 9 Halos. 40% off. God dang it. Alright. Checking my size right here. Vomero 17s. Going for 80. Get that extra 40 off. Not bad. These are down to 60 after the discount. Alright, I did check all the aisles to see if they have any of that extended size pricing that we saw a couple weeks ago. Didn't really see anything crazy. But we're gonna go back to the back wall. 120 like new. Get that extra 40% off. Heard it's like this at most of the outlets. I'm gonna create a short before I leave. Try to give you guys a heads up. These are going for $80. Another one right here. These are going for $63. That's the difference between freaking a refurb and a regular. This is gently worn too. Nike Attacks $85. Nike by You. These kind of look like the Halos, all white. Cosmic Unity 3 is going for 80. Airspan 2 is going for 60. The Air Max 1's right here down to 90. These are all size 9. Foot Locker Outlet is the place to get these if you can find them there. 140 to get 40 off at least. Got these in multiple sizes on the back wall. We're in this 8.5s it looks like. Infinity Run 4s going for 170. 2s going for 90. What are these? What are these right here? Jumbo Blazers going for 55. Jaws right next to that 120 still. What the hell? Size 8 undercover mocks right here 75. Blazer low acronyms going for 70. Number 40% off. Missed these hyper dunks earlier. What they talking about? 100 bucks? 100 bucks? So that's 60 after the sale. I grabbed mine for $25 here at the store. Damn. I have a feeling they're mismarked. Damn, I'm seeing if the bigger sizes. No, I don't see any. Don't see any extended size pricing. Interesting. I'll break it up a little bit. 40% off apparel as well. Do need some small shirts. I think I should have grabbed one of these, man. They had the army green one at the clearance store for hella cheap. Double XL right here, 100 bucks. Yeah, I was like, I think it was $39.99 there. But yeah, I do need some more apparel, dude. Size smalls, 100 bucks for the two-tone tech fleece right here that I'm not too into. Chargers t-shirt. This is a medium in the small section. 25, 40 off. I just realized I don't even have that many t-shirts that fit right now. I don't want to buy too much clothes. Trying to lose a few more pounds. $20 for these 40 off, so 12 bucks with an 8-bit Windows. What was that? Windows 95 looking graphic right there. Just a bunch of t-shirts. Chargers. Is that Herbert? Herbert jersey 175. Got a couple of them. Yeah, 175. At least you get 40 off, so probably 100 bucks or so. You got LeBron medium right here, $85. More of these. Still 175. What is this? Metcalf jersey XL 175 still. Dang, dude. Dodgers baseball t-shirt right here, 35. Got shorts right here. What they talk about? $25. Not bad. 25 for these as well. These super thin shorts going for 60. This dry fit. Jordan white shorts right here. Hella white. Extra white. 25 for those as well. Double XL though. Is this one of the Mamba ones? I see a bunch of faux snake skin. Just regular Nike quadruple XL. Going for $39. Got a couple other racks. We'll take a look at those in a sec. Finish off the back wall right here. This is what I like seeing. I love seeing Airmore Tempos. I don't like that price though. 40% off. So I guess it's not too shabby. This is 11 and a half. Look at this, size 12. Size 12. Look at this. $30.50. 40 off is $30. Do got the Invincible Run 3s right here. $195 in the wrong size right here. That's size 7.5 in the 11 section. Florida Dunks going for $115. Lakers Dunks going for $115. Not too many refurbs right now. Just not that many. Just stuff like this. Trainers right here go for $65. Size 11.5. All kinds of dunks. $125 for these size 12s. Terminators going for $55 right here. Size 13. Look at this. Look at this. So what is that, like $65? $65 for Vomeros. That's a size 13. Size 14 right here. $115 before the discount. GT Cut Academy, $68. 312s. These are $100 before the discount. Now, what colorway is that? Why does that one look so cheap compared to the other ones? Bigger sizes, not much love, you guys. Jaw 1, size 17s. Go for $60, but not too much. Revolutions right here. Max Auras right here. Got Katie Tray 510s, go for $45. Not much, dude, not much. Let's finish off this rack right here. Size small, 40% off. That jacket's too thin though. It is. It's one of those what is it, yoga jackets right here. Maison des Champions. Okay, $78. Damn, they want the full retail, huh? They should get 40 off, I guess. It's tough to complain about prices when almost everything's 40% off. 43 for that one, double XL. 43 for this one. This Jordan Flight hoodies, pretty decent. $60 for these double. This is single XL. They got medium and large too. Yeah, I've seen a lot of these dry fit hoodies right here. $75 though? What the hell? What the hell? Oh, got some tech fleece. $105, 40% off. That's just a single one though. Dang it. Oh, I got a black one right here. It's a pullover. $105. And you get that 40 off, so that's not too bad. So it's $65. Got a few sizes right here. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. No smalls there, no smalls. And then Maison de Champion, another one of these. $78. Got some sweats right here. Triple XL, $35. This one, tech fleece one right here. Double XL going for $90. Prices seem a little high, but with the 40 off, not too bad. $90 for these XL tech fleece right here. Is this the yoga? Is this the yoga? Or it's a dry fit going for $50. And soccer team one right here. This is a medium going for $125. Holy cow. Holy cow. Then moving on to the aisles, we do have some non-signature Jordans right here. I do got these. Surprised to see these here, 2 years after release? Oh, my bad. It's about a year after release. These will go down though, right? Gonna go down. Grab mine for around $100. I can't really complain. Another Jordan 1 retro here. Upper dunks that we saw earlier. Got them in black as well. I wouldn't mind these. I would not mind these. Wear this one for casual. Probably pretty comfortable. All kinds of budget signature Nike basketball shoes right here. Katie Tray 510s. Got the Immortalities right here. Always got a ton of those. Got the Witness 7s right here. One last one right there. Then LeBron 21s. Got Next Gens. These all have been going down and down. Field Generals. They got a ton of these. Third different colorway. Got a fourth one right here. A sea of black boxes. Got a ton of those right there. Air Max 270s. ENs right here. And the bigger ones, look at this. Bigger ones. Seen some extended size pricing. Air Max 90s. Got the Joe Burrows, couple of Airspans, two-tone one right here. Air Max 2017. Irachis that we saw for hella cheap earlier. Was that 2 visits ago? Got the Vomero 5s. And some of them were extended size priced. Okay, 110. Got those. Some Attacks right here. Okay, I missed this earlier. It's $53. You get an extra 40 off on top. Got these Nike Attacks right here as well. And then you get extended size pricing right here as well. Look at the size 11. $60. You get 40% off. So is that $36? Holy cow. These are extended size priced at $60 as well. These Terminator highs as well. Air Force 88s. Air Flight Light Mids. Got some Forces right here. These extended size priced as well. So 30% off 85. Then a bunch of generics here in this aisle. I was hoping to find this one heavily discounted. Nah, not really. But yeah, they got stuff here. They got some Pegasus 39s for 70. That's not bad. It's not great. Women's back wall, not much. 120, 110 for these. These are all size 8s. Got blazers right here. Go for 70. Size 7 right here. 120. There's not much exciting stuff in the women's section. You do get that 40% off, which is not seeing too much heat. Not seeing the crazy prices either. And I did check the women's huge sizes to see if they had any extended size surprises, and no, not really. What these going for? 75 right here. It's not bad, especially with the 40 off, but it's all right. It's all right. These are 75 as well. Damn, I can't believe I missed out on those Kobe 9 Halos. Not like I would even like be super excited to grab them for myself because I can't wear them, but could at least show you guys. Man, that would have been cool. But yeah, I think that's about it for this spot right here. Where it was gonna wrap it up. But look at this. Oh, tees only, so it doesn't include Lakers gear right here. I was like, what? This is 40% off? Is it? Nah, 55. But yeah, you don't get that extra 40 off. It's just the t-shirts right here. Oh wait, they do have 25% off the Tech Fleece, so $75 for these items. Not too shabby. They do have a few different colorways. Go for $75. Not bad. And do have a Ross in the same complex. The Ross trips have been pretty interesting. Jeremy Scott hoodie right here. It's pretty cool. It's actually pretty dope. Let's see if my kid would like something like this. $120 normally? Really? Normally $120? Down to $28. It says Adidas Racing. Is that an R33? R34? It's an R34, huh? Got some team merch right here. Kind of bootleg looking. More of this team merch. U brand. Telling you, these trips have been interesting. Oh, I thought this is the Dodgers one. This ain't the Dodgers one. It is a Nike jacket right here. $30. $30 for this Nike jacket. Not bad. And then moving on to the sneakers, aka Adidas outlet section right here. Trae Young's being marked down to $20. $20. Like, why are these here and why aren't they at the Adidas outlets? I would think they'd be at the Adidas outlets. No, we have not been seeing them like that there. That's what Bosco and I have been talking about. We see Adidas basketball here at these discount places, but not at the Adidas outlet. Kind of been weird. $90 for the Hokas right here. These Clima Cools going for 40. Tim's going for 100. Got Nike, what did they do? Victory Tours going for 35. Terex hiking shoes right here, $37. The Sky Chase is $37, full length boost. Terex, that's a bargain. I want to say Terex hiking boots. I think they go for like $200 or something like that retail. Do got some Crocs. That's the one with the lining on the inside, going for 30. Another one right here. This has a lining as well. I guess decent for the winter. $30 for these. Got some red Tims right here. These are going for 80. And Chiefs gear right here. This Bengals? Bengals right here? Yeah, Bengals $15 for the new Arabinis. Different New Era beanie. This is a Steelers right here. Go for $15. Texans. Another one of these. Got Broncos. Are these the exact same teams we saw at the other Ross? Saints. I don't think we've seen a Saints one here before. Going for 15. Got Dodgers pint glasses right here. $10. $10 for Dodgers pint glasses. That's not bad at all. I'm trying to think. I don't think any of my workers are Dodger fans like that. It's a great Christmas present. Oh wait, who's hiding these right here? Look at this. Look at this. 15 for the Green Bay Packers one right here. This one's pretty dope. Got Rams pillows right here for you Rams. One of my workers is a Rams fan. Let's see what these talking about. These are paying the butt to put in a bag though. $13. That's a hell of a price. But yeah, like I said, they're paying the ass to. It's a pain in the ass to gift because it's got to go in a huge bag. And this is $17 for this throw. What the hell is it? A throw blanket? Y'all know I always check out the snacks right there. Look at this. Look at this. How many of them are there? 12? 12 boxes? Are these giant? Are they really giant ones? I think they're just 12 of those boxes. And then what? There's 12 boxes, and these are what? $12. So they come out to $1 a box. I love Sour Patch Kids. I love these. These are one of my favorite treats. But yeah, that's a lot. 12 boxes. Do I need to get that for anybody? That's cool. That is cool. I've talked about these. These are ridiculously delicious. These are the best ones. Best wafer cookies around. Just one big muffin? Is that one big muffin? What the hell? I was like, what the hell is this? Oh, it's hot chocolates. Hot chocolates, use them for stocking stuff. Oh, that was close. Stocking stuffers, I guess. What the hell? What the hell? $13. This is kind of cool. This is kind of cool, but are we supposed to be using that type of top for hot stuff? Plastic? Try not to use plastic for hot stuff. I don't know. $13 for this one. Advent calendars. Reese's Advent calendar. What are they talking about? Like $3? $3? $5? Nah, I'm good. Pretty decent Christmas section right here. I might have to grab this for somebody. Oh, these are fun right here. These are fun right here, man. $5 for this thing. These are fun. Some of them are like disgusting. Some of them are delicious tasting. Look at this. And they look the exact same. Like the burnt rubber and licorice look exactly the same. Stinky socks and Tutti Fruities. Barf and peach, they look exactly the same. And you just don't know which one you're going to get. What's been up with the women's section? Why is there never anything at the women's section anymore? I guess they got these GT Hustles right here. What these go for? Oh, $38. That's not too bad. This is size 11, 9.5 men. So that's actually not bad at all for men. If y'all need some hoop shoes, $37. $14 for those. That's about it, man. I've checked every aisle. Haven't really seen much else. Only in the men's sizes. That's crazy. All right, I'm gonna go pay for these things right here, I guess. Okay. We out, man. We out, man. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video. Check out the membership. Y'all want to help your boy out with some gas. We out, man. We out. Trying to stay away from all this mess. Man, I love all these snacks. I just love eating. But yeah, can't eat, man. Can't eat. Can't stay fit if I keep eating all this crap.